friends, welcome to T18 Academy. In this video, we are going to discuss most important one-liner of Mughal Empire Part 1. Friends, Mughal Empire is the only Indian empire that rules more than 300 years from 1526 to 1858, except a brief period under the Shah Sultanate 1540 to 1555. Friends, please like, share and subscribe the T18 Academy for more videos. Please press bell icon so that you will get all the notifications from T18 Academy. Now moving to the question. Who laid the foundation of the Mughal rule in India? Who laid the foundation of the Mughal rule in India? The right answer is Babur. Babur was the descendant of Taimur from the side of his father and Chengiz Khan from the side of his mother. Next one. When was the first battle of Panipat fought? When was the first battle of Panipat fought? The right answer is April 21, 1526. Next one. Babur defeated Daesh and established Mughal dynasty in his first battle of Panipat. Answer is Ibrahim Lodi. Next one. When and where did Babur defeated Muhammad Lodi, uncle of Ibrahim Lodi? So the right answer is in the year 1529 at Ghagra. In the year 1529 at Ghagra, Babur defeated Muhammad Lodi, who was the uncle of Ibrahim Lodi. Next one. Babur enjoyed the prestige of being the descendant of which two famous Asian warriors? The right answer is Chengiz Khan on mother's side and Taimur on father's side. Next one. In which year Babur died? In which year Babur died? The right answer is 1530. Babur died in 1530 at Agra. His tomb is at Kabul. Important question. Babur died in Agra and his tomb in at Kabul. Next one. Which ruler first used gunpowder and artillery in India? The right answer is Babur. Babur was the first to use gunpowder and artillery in India. He also adopted Tugluma and flanking party system. Next one. Name the autobiography written by Babur. The autobiography written by Babur is Tujuke Baburi. Tujuke Baburi was the autobiography written by Babur. He wrote his autobiography in Turkey, in which he gives an excellent account of India and his empire. Next one. Who translated Babur's autobiography in Persian? The answer is Abdur Rahim Khan Khana. Abdur Rahim Khan Khana translated Babur's autobiography from Turkey to Persian. Who translated Babur's autobiography in English? Madame Beveridge translated Babur's autobiography from Turkey to English. Humayun's ascended the throne in 1530 after the death of Babur. Babur was the father of Humayun. Who wrote Humayun's biography? Who wrote Humayun's biography? Gulbadan Begum, Humayun's sister. Humayun's sister Gulbadan Begum wrote the biography of Humayun. Where was Deen Panah built by Humayun? Where was Deen Panah built by Humayun? The answer is Delhi, second capital of his empire. He died while climbing down the stairs of his library at Deen Panah in 1556. In which battle Sher Shah defeated Humayun and declared himself as an emperor? Battle of Chausa. In the Battle of Chausa, Sher Shah defeated Humayun and Sher Shah declared himself as an emperor. Which emperor issued coin called rupiah? Important question. Sher Shah. Sher Shah was the emperor issued coin called rupiah. Which ruler built the famous GT road? GT road means Grand Trunk Road. Sher Shah. Sher Shah built GT road. Roads connects Calcutta to Peshawar. Who built Purana Killa at Delhi? Important question. Who built Purana Killa at Delhi? The right answer is Sher Shah. Sher Shah built Purana Killa at Delhi. Second battle of Panipat was fought between. The right answer is Hemu and Bairam Khan. Hemu was defeated, captured and slain by Bairam Khan in the second battle of Panipat. Who built Buland Darwaza in Fatehpur Sikri? The Buland Darwaza in Fatehpur Sikri was built by Akbar in memory over victory of Gujarat. Next one. What is the full name of Aurangzeb? The right answer is Muinuddin Muhammad Aurangzeb. Muinuddin Muhammad Aurangzeb was the full name of Aurangzeb. Next one. Which Sikh Guru was executed by Aurangzeb? The right answer is Tegh Bahadur. Next one. Which traders group first came to India during the Mughal period? Important question. Which traders group first came to India during the Mughals period? The right answer is Portuguese. Portuguese was the first traders group came to India during the Mughal Empire. During which battle did Babur declare jihad and assume the title of Ghazi in India? Answer is Battle of Khandwa in 1527 against Rana Sanga. In the Battle of Khandwa in 1527 against Rana Sanga, declared jihad and assumed the title of Ghazi in India. Which Rajput queen sent a Rakhi to Humayun when Bahadur Shah of Gujarat attacked Chittor? The right answer is Rani Karnavati. Rani Karnavati sent Rakhi to Humayun when Bahadur Shah of Gujarat attacked Chittor. Next one. Which fort was known as the Gateway of Eastern India? Which fort was known as the Gateway of Eastern India? The right answer is Fort of Chunar. Fort of Chunar was known as the Gateway of Eastern India. Next one. Commanded the region of Kabul and Kandahar during Humayun's reign. The right answer is Humayun's younger brother Kamran. Humayun's younger brother Kamran commanded the region of Kabul and Kandahar during the Humayun's reign. Next one. Which Mughal monument marked a new beginning in the style of architecture in North India, with the dome made of marble as its most remarkable feature? Right answer is Humayun's tomb. Next one. Who became the Wakil of Mughal kingdom during the initial years of Akbar's reign? The right answer is Bairam Khan. Bairam Khan became the Wakil of Mughal kingdom during the initial year of Akbar's reign. Right. Next one. Bairam Khan rallied the Mughal forces under which title? Important question. Bairam Khan rallied the Mughal forces under which title? The right answer is Khane Khana. Khane Khana. So friends, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the channel, and for PDF please visit the given link which will be given in description also. Then bye bye, take care. We will meet in the next video, Mughal Empire Part 2 one-liner. Thank you. Happy learning.